What do you want to do?
So what we've been doing, we've been freeze drying stuff. This puts it like at a pressure, so it will like. Can I open it?
Okay.
It like.
Oh. So we vacuum sealed that?
Yeah, we vacuum sealed.
How did we do that? With the vacuum?
No.
What did
we
you
did
use?
It with this.
What is that?
What's
it called?
Vacuum sealer.
Well, it's a pressure cooker, but
Pressure cooker.
I hooked it up so it could work as a vacuum sealer. And so what's this thing right here? What's that thing do?
This is, I forgot what it's called.
The vacuum pump.
It's a vacuum pump.
What does it do?
It has oil.
What does it do?
It runs the motor.
And what does it do? What does the vacuum pump do?
Sucks out all the air.
Yeah, it's like a vacuum. Vacuum sucks air. This sucks air, and it's if you have a sealed container, then it will suck all the air out of the container, right?
Yeah, but you have to do it like specifically because you can't like do it as tight. You have to like.
All right, so explain how you do it.
So how I do it as tight as I can. Then I just let some of it off.
Okay.
Like that.
And how do you know if it's sealed or not? You got the pop.
It won't do this.
You got the popping top over there.
It won't do this if it's
Okay.
sealed.
All right. Well, let's try sealing it and see if it works.
I'm gonna try to do this with. Wait,
Oh, so you're doing water too?
Yeah.
Okay.
Dad, can you? Is it sealed?
Ah. Okay. Put it down. All right. So you're trying to seal a thing of water. Is that right? Vacuum seal some water. Okay. I'll put it on. So that's a mason jar, and so you put it on and just back it off a little bit. Okay. Open that up. Careful that you don't knock the jars off.
I have a classmate named Mason.
You do? Is his last name Jar?
No.
Oh, so it's not the same. I see.
Well, we just put it in here.
Okay. We did some experiments, huh? With different, like tightening one all the way. Did that do anything when we tightened it all the way?
Nope.
Nope.
And I tried it, didn't work. My dad thought it was because of the lid.
Oh, there you go. And then tighten it. Close it. Okay, now what?
So when you're doing it, you just do this because if you just keep it like this, it will just not do anything.
It'll just suck all the air from the room, right? So you're not doing anything.
Wait, so I'm gonna
Has
do
to be a
it, for
sealed
example,
container.
This is loud. If I do it,
Everyone plug your ears.
so if I do it like this, it does nothing.
Right.
But if I do this,
Close the valve.
and then it sucks.
It's starting to suck?
Here's the thing, if I just like lift this, or if I do this, if I lift this, or if I do that, then it just
What's happening to the air?
the air's coming in.
In?
Think so?
Yeah, because a vacuum sucks the air out. So it's sucking air out of that pressure cooker, and then when you open the valve up, it lets the air back in.
Okay.
Okay, go.
So we just turned it on. Ours is not strong enough to go to 100, but yeah.
It goes to like what? What percent?
90.
About 90 is about all this little pump can do.
We're gonna wait till 90.
We're gonna wait till 90? Okay, I'm gonna pause it then until then. All right, so we're almost to it. So we're almost to 90%, huh?
Wait, it can't go to 100. It's not that strong. So then when we finish, we just turn it off.
And then what?
Just how I make it go faster instead of just doing that, I do like.
You lift the weight, and then it lets air go in two ways, so
So now we
depressurizes a little bit faster, or pressurizes rather.
Now we just open.
So now let's see what happens.
Pretty much not the water.
What's happening? Is anything happening in there?
It won't.
Oh, the bubbles, huh? You know what it was doing in there? It was actually boiling. We couldn't see it, but when you put water at a vacuum like that, or maybe it's not quite enough of a vacuum, but you can see the bubbles in there, so it's almost boiling.
How about we do it again?
We can try, but look at that. Did your other thing, did the freeze-dried pineapple, did that seal? Pop it. So it is. You want to open it up again so we can see? Yep. So there you go. Vacuum packed. So that's pretty good.
So do you want to do it again?
Yeah, we can try it. Hold on.